Hi dear students, today we are going to discuss about molality. So this is one of the concentration method, molality. This molality concentration method is more important for 12th standard students. In solution chapter, this especially they are giving board exam as well as NEET or JEE, both important this is. So molality, symbol is small m we are using here. I'm writing simple definition. So molality is the n moles of solute dissolved in 1 kg of solvent. Please try to note down solvent, but remaining all concentration methods, molarity, we are using solution. But solvent term, we are using mostly for molality. So remaining concentration method already I discussed my previous videos. Molarity, W by W percent, strength of solution, all the things. If you want, you can look that one. Solvent. So now I am going to be write units here. Very simple. Mole per kg. This is okay. From formula you can write. From formula unit you can write as well as from unit you can write formula also. So molarity equal to mole per kg. I am taking W kg. Now we can write mole symbol is N, W kg. So N is the formula, you know that one. N is weight by gram molecular mass, and you can convert kg into grams, 1000 by W grams. But this is solvent. Keep in mind, most of the students they are doing mistake here only. So this is the molality formula. It is temperature independent. It is temperature independent because in this formula there is no volume term. So volume is temperature dependent. That's why this is temperature independent. So now we can see how to solve this formula. By using this formula, you can calculate concentration. For example, calculate 20 grams of NaOH dissolved in 100 grams of solution. So calculate the molality, small m sir, calculate molality of 20 grams of NaOH dissolved in 100 grams of solution. Shall we try? Try to understand this is calculate molality of 20 grams of NaOH dissolved in 100 grams of solution. 100 grams of solution. So write first when you are solving, write formula molality equal to given weight by gram molecular mass into 1000 by W grams of solvent. So now we can substitute here weight of solute 20 grams, marker weight of NaOH is 40. I hope you know how to calculate. Na is 23 plus oxygen 16 plus hydrogen is 1. So total 40 into 1000 by, so how much I need to substitute here? So you know that one basically solution equal to solute plus solvent. So what is the solution they given? 100 grams. What is the solute? 20 grams. What is the solvent here? Solvent is 80. What is the solvent weight? Solvent is 80 grams. Is it correct? So substitute here 80. Then calculate, will get your answer. That is a molality. So most of the students we are going to be take here 100 grams, not 100. This is solution, but we need to substitute only solvent. You know, try it here 2 times. We can get here again 50 by 8. How much 50 by 8? 6.25, correct? 6.25 mole per kg. So this is the unit, molality. I hope you understood this method, molality. We'll discuss next method, mole fraction, and next mole fraction and molality relation also we'll discuss. Thank you everyone.